all action. I'm here on the property right now. This is the calm before the storm. As you can see, small little snowflakes are starting to accumulate right around us. It's a lot of gunshots. And I'm here again a few hours later. We have a little bit of snow on the ground. Nothing too crazy yet, but we will see how things look like in the morning. It's officially the next morning, and as you can see outside, we got snow. We got lots of snow. Bro, so we just got our first patch of snow. I'm about to break into it. Check this out. Bruh! Oh shoot, I missed my turn. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Bro, this thing is floating. I'm floating. 2013 Toyota Highlander. Shee! Bro, what I need one Tacoma and one Tundra for when I get one Highlander. Oh, open my door. When I get one Highlander, bro, look him. Look how deep that bugger. Bro, I gotta put my feet inside here, and I get my work shoes. Oh, killer. Oh, jeez, killer. Should have put on my boots. Oh, I hurt the chickens. Cold. Bro, this door is so thick. Okay. How's it, my chickens? How's it, my chickens? Open this door for you, brothers. I mean, sisters. No more brothers in there. Oi, Teras, what? You can come out. Oh, there I am, boy. Gee. Okay, bye, girls. Have fun. Ooh. Get out of this thing real fast. Back. Bruh, 2013 Toyota Highlander. Oh, I know you even work for Toyota. Snow mode. Bruh. Highlander. Oh, wrong side of the road, pay attention. But you know what I never tell you guys? The best thing for do if you maintain your focus, get rejuvenated, rehydrated. It's not a sponsored ad, but bruh, Uncle Dwayne, you sponsor me. Zoas, these buggers is mean. No sugar. Okay, shoot.